Here are the steps to create a project bot on Qiscus Robolabs through Dialogflow. First, log in to your Qiscus Multichannel Chat account. Go to the Robolabs menu. Select the bot integration button. Then add the project bot from Dialogflow. Enter your bot name, and click Next. To integrate the bot, you will need some information from the Dialogflow. Click on the Dialogflow console according to the instructions. Sign in with your Google account. Click the Create New Agent menu. Fill in the agent name and select the default language. Then, select the default time zone and click the Create button. To receive the account key file service, click the Setting button and then click the button on the Google Project ID on the General page. On the Dialogflow console page, select the Google Project ID. Make sure your Google Project ID matches the one that you have created in Dialogflow. Go to the Navigation menu, click the IAM and Admin menu, and select Service Accounts. Click the Create Service Account button. Fill in the service account name, and then click Create and Continue. Select the available role owner on the Grant the Service Account Access to project. Then click Continue. Afterwards, select the service account that you have created. Select the Keys column. Click Add Key and select Create New Key. Choose the JSON key type and then click Create. Afterwards, download the service key file in JSON format. Back to the Robolabs page, you will need to upload the JSON file. Select both language. Fill in the Google Project ID according to the Dialogflow. Click Next. On the Integrate to the Multichannel tab, the multi-channel data will automatically appear. You can now activate the Handover to Agent feature in this tab. Click Finish. Congratulations! You have now successfully integrated Dialogflow.